Hiding your repository in GitHub is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your GitHub account, and once you log into your GitHub account, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now GitHub doesn't necessarily have the feature or the function to hide a repository. What it has is the function to make a repository private. And in sense, when you make the repository private, it's gonna be hidden from every other account except your account. And once you make it public, it's gonna be public to all accounts. By default, every repository is public. So to make a repository private, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to the far right of the screen where there's an icon that displays your display image. You're gonna click on it, and right under that, you're gonna click on repositories. Now in the repositories, you can see that we have a list of our repositories, and we have a tag right in front of it. Now this tag identifies if it's private or public. The fact that these repositories are public means they are not hidden and they can be seen by everyone. Now to make your repository private, what you can do is click on the repository name. It's going to take you to the repository itself. You're going to go up and you're going to click on settings in the navigation bar. Once you click on settings, under the general tab, you're going to scroll down until you see danger zone. Now in the danger zone, the next header is the visibility header, and you're going to click on this button that says change visibility, and it says change to private. We're going to click on this, and we're going to click ensure that we've read the effects, and we're going to make it private. Now just like that, we've been able to make our repository private. If we want to confirm, we're going to come to the code, and you can see the tag here has changed to private. To really confirm, we can go back to repositories, and we can see that the private tag is right next to our repository. Now that's how you hide a repository on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.